how to address no package HTTPD available when you want to install HTTP service. So as you can see, I'm in the home directory. When I type yum install HTTPD, it shows that no packages with HTTPD is available. So the first and the foremost thing you want to check is if the base repo has all the links or any missing links. To do that, we just execute this command. I'm trying to cat the base CentOS repo, and I can see the mirror links are healthy. So I mean, this couldn't be the culprit here. So the next thing I would check out is to check the yum configuration. So I mean, if there is some uh, uh, issue with the configuration or not, so I would clear it. And now again I would cat the configuration file. So the configuration file is loaded, and if you can see the line number 2 here, it says exclude. And if you keep on reading, there is something called httpd star. So here in this file, it is restricting us to execute httpd. So this is the culprit. So to address this, we would just open a web editor, get into the file, go to insert mode. Now here what I'll do is simply remove httpd from this file. Okay, I would save it. Nice. I'll clear the screen. Now if I do yum install httpd, you see all the dependencies are loaded.